Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to explore the 75th anniversary of the diplomatic relationship between China and Russia. The milestone was marked by the exchange of congratulatory messages between President Xi Jinping and the President Putin. We will dive into the legal implications of the historical relationship, its evolution over the years, and what holds in the future for the two global powers. Historical context: the diplomatic relationship between China and Russia has evolved significantly over 75 years, initially marked by the strategic alignment with the Cold War. Relationship transferred into strategic partnership focusing on mutual interest and global influence. Legal frameworks: bilateral agreements. Over the years, China and Russia have signed numerous bilateral agreements covering trade, defense, energy, and technology. These agreements provide a robust of legal framework for cooperation and ensure that both countries can work together efficiently. International law: both countries emphasize the importance of international law and the United Nations in maintaining global stability. Their cooperation often focuses on the countering unilateral sections and promoting a multipolar world order. Economic cooperation: legal agreements in trade and investment has facilitated significant economic cooperation between the two countries. This includes joint venture in energy project, infrastructure development, and the technology transfer. Future prospect: 75 years marks as a renowned commitment to the strengthening Russia ties. Both leaders have expressed their desire to expand cooperation in various sectors, including defense, technology, and global governance. The legal framework has established the years while air will continue to play a crucial role in building cooperation. In 75 anniversary, the diplomatic relationship has reached a milestone, and those both countries have begun to become a global power. The legal framework and the agreement in place provide a strong foundation of future cooperation is necessary in every aspect of life. Complexity of international relations never stood between. Stay tuned for more legal analysis